Guys, what up? So today at Walmart, we saw Gatorade chews. And basically they say energy chews. So we're gonna put them to the test and we're gonna see how much energy they really give you. So guys, we're gonna do a before and after result. Let's get into it. Okay, so we got our runner, we got our stopwatch. Okay, ready, set, go. What was his time?
6 seconds.
6 seconds and 6.8 seconds. Wow, already he's going so fast his shoes are falling off. Okay guys, so now that we've seen the before results, here we go. We're gonna unbox and eat these. Okay, first of all, how do they taste?
Really good. I'm gonna go ahead and eat the whole thing.
That's a lot of energy. All right, ready, set, go. Holy crap.
Dude, look at that.
Oh my, guys.
You literally...
I cannot believe
No,
this.
it couldn't even track it.
It didn't even track it. He went so fast, guys. Guys, that was insane. I mean, if you weren't convinced to buy Gatorade shoes, extra energy chews before, there's no way you can watch this video without realizing how much they work. How do you feel, man?
How do you feel? I feel lightning fast.
Guys, lightning fast, Gatorade.
Recommend it.
Guys, this is not sponsored, but he went so fast. It's nuts, guys.
Look at that. I didn't even get it. Nothing.
No time at all. It was 0 seconds. He went so fast, guys. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hey, check out this packaging. Look at that. How many calories does it say it is?
100 calorie per pack.
Oh my, that's nothing, guys. Guys, I'm being on a serious note. Go to Walmart and buy Gatorade chews today. Thank you.